Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. And what I've got on the table is brand new Diode Dynamics SS3 Pro lights. Now these are going to be in their fog light configuration with the outline bezel to perfectly match in my 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now what's great about these lights is that they're made right here in the USA and they feature a ton of light output. They're built in with TIR, which stands for Total Internal Reflection, and they're completely designed by Diode Dynamics right here in the USA. Now these are a fog light configuration in the Pro Series that is a completely bolt-on with the included brackets into your 2018 and newer Wrangler, as well as 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now what's cool about these is if you flip them around, they have a nice Deutsch plug that's bolted right into the back. It's super secure and sturdy. Now when you choose these lights, you'll actually select them for your vehicle, and they'll come with the included wiring adapters, so that way you don't need to wire anything else up. They're simply plug and play, and you'll be down the road having some brand new lights. You can also get these in a spot, in a high beam, in a flood, and you can order them with or without the bezel and with the standard mounting bracket, so you can mount them on a pillar, mount them onto an aftermarket front bumper, or a ton of other options like that. Now we're great friends with the guys over at Diode Dynamics, and they've been coming out with some great products which we've been installing on a lot of our Jeeps, trucks, Mustangs, anything you can throw a light on, we are doing it. Now make sure you stay tuned for the installation video on these, and we'll show you the full lighting output. We'll show you a comparison between stock and these brand new Diode Dynamics lights. You can see they come in a nice box here. They have everything ready for you to go. They'll be shipped right to your door, and you can throw them onto your vehicle. Now if you want to check these out, be sure to drop by cjponyparts.com, enter in your vehicle, and then check out all the lighting options available from Diode Dynamics. Until next time guys, we're going to be installing these on the next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you out on the trails.